I'd like to introduce to you a very unique rocket called the Nebula ST. The ST stands for Space Transport. This is the spacecraft of the future. What's unique about this rocket is you can see it's not a round tube, it's an oval tube. So you don't get centering rings, you get centering ovals, like this one here. As you can see, it's a moderately sized kit. It has on the back end a 3D printed screw-on engine retainer. So you'll just take your 29mm motor, slide it in, and then screw on the cap. That locks it in place, and it also has some aesthetics to make it look like a real de Laval nozzle. You can see it's got basswood fins right here. It's got the T-tails on the side to give it really good stability. Plus it's got these nacelles here that give the wings some extra support here, so it makes them really strong. And if you flip it over on the back side, we have an inlet scoop, again, not only to give it some unique look, but also to stiffen up these fins to make it really strong. On the front end, you'll notice the shape of the nose cone. It's kind of a shape of a duckbill. It's also oval. It's 3D printed. On top, there's also a 3D printed observation deck that's glued to the top of the tube. Inside, we have a 30-inch nylon cloth parachute, plus there's an ejection baffle inside to protect that parachute. You'll find the Nebula at Apogee Components. Our web address is www.apogeerockets.com.
This is Tim Van Milligan's Nebula ST on F-25. B5 is selected and armed. Starting countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch. Good minute.
Where'd it go? Where'd it go? There it goes.
And shoots out. Good flight, Tim. Okay, range right is open. Range left is loaded.